everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys must have understood from caption and thumbnail what the video is about. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Studying for an hour can be a daunting task, but it's essential for academic success. It's easy to get distracted by social media, TV shows, and other activities that are more fun than studying. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can stay motivated and focused for hours on end. Here are some tips to help you get motivated to study for hours. Firstly, set a goal before you start studying. Set a specific goal for what you want to accomplish. This will give you a sense of purpose and direction. Secondly, break it down. Break your study session into smaller, manageable chunks. This will make the task feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Third, create a study schedule. Plan out your study session in advance and stick to a schedule. This will help you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Fourth, eliminate distraction. Turn off the phone, close your social media tabs, and create a quiet study environment. This will help you to stay focused and avoid distractions. Lastly, but not the least, reward yourself. Set up a reward system for yourself. For example, after studying for 2 hours, take a 10-minute break to do something you enjoy. By following these tips, you can stay motivated and focused for hours on end. Remember, the key to success is consistency and hard work. Now, go out there and ace the exam. If you are new in this channel, you can see my more videos which will definitely going to help you further. Or if you have any suggestion or doubt, then you can comment it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye, take care.